Welcome back, guys. So, as you can see, the Busa is back. But sadly, she's back for a very weird reason. White wheels. White wheels are something that looks very nice. And it ties in nicely with the color scheme. But for some people, it's a big no-no. It's a big problem because they get dirty very quickly. And Mr. Raven is not happy with having dirty wheels. Now, the more I tell him, dude, your chain, how about you lubricate it on a Friday and go riding on a Saturday? How about you lube it on a Saturday to go ride on a Sunday? Don't go riding immediately after you've lubed your chain. And wipe off the excess lube. That is my little bit of advice. But clearly it's not working out for him. So I've been tasked to strip it, remove the wheels, and do a color swap, color change. He's not happy with white wheels, so we're going to color match it to the red. Let's strip and get this bike taken away. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be removing this panel here. I'm going to send that panel away along with the wheels, making sure to remove the discs, remove the tires, remove whatever needs to be removed according to the Spraypainter spec, and mark your left and right disc, guys, please. That is a very important note. You don't want to be putting your right disc on your left side because they've already bedded in to the pads. So don't swap them unless you're putting on new pads or unless you're putting on new discs, then it doesn't matter. But in this case, we've got old discs, old pads. Make sure to mark your left and right. On the back, there's only one. You don't need to do that. So yeah, I'm going to strip it down, take that off, and send it off to the spray painter so that he can do his thing. Right, here we go. Discs are removed. This one says goes on the right, this way is forward. This one goes on the left, rotating that way. So, just gonna remove the rear disc and then take this out to the Spraypainter.
Everybody's alarms is going off.
We are here by Mornay, the famous spray painter. Say hello, Mornay.
Hi there.
Mornay, I've got some wheels for you. I need these in red. But now, I gave you the sample yesterday. And that sample's got it's a red with a pearl. So nice. What is it? Is it a gold pearl or a glitter pearl? What
It's
is
a gold pearl.
So
it's a 3-stage paint.
A 3-stage paint. In other words, also for us lay people, it's an expensive paint.
Yes.
So we're going to try to get the same effect on these white wheels so that it matches the bodywork as close as possible. more or less, how long are you going to be with us? You already ordered the paint?
Yes, so you'll have it by Friday again.
Today's Tuesday. So, wheels will be ready by Friday. Cool, guys. We're dropping this off. Mornay, do you have any nice projects inside?
I don't did a ZX10, but I'm still, that was a whole
A full rebuild.
rebuild.
So we're going to go check out the ZX10. It's a full rebuild. Frames being sprayed. Is that the one I saw last time? Frames being sprayed. Engines being rebuilt. Fairings have been redone. You're going to do what color scheme on that one?
That's pearl green and white and
So
blue.
that's that old school, not the anniversary edition. It's the throwback edition. The color scheme that runs back to, I think it was 95 or something like that. So yeah, so I think I have a color of a picture of that bike. Cool, thank you, sir. Special delivery. Yo, stuff look pink. Yo, it looks nice. Damn. Yo, got that glitter shine.
That's a clear sign.
Damn. Can't see the glitter on the sample panel, so like Right, so this is the wheels. Mornay brought the panel that he had to color match. Now indoors, it doesn't look so pink, but this red matches very nicely. Color matching was done. Color matching was done very well. Christina,
Yeah?
you gonna help me carry to the car?
Oh,
You take the
yes.
front wheel, I'll take the back wheel.
Because I'm just so strong like that.
What toilet do you want to carry? Is it too heavy for you?
I need 2 hands.
2 hands. So we're taking this now to Rory and Tammy. And they are going to do the stickers. Okay, we are on our way to Rory. Tammy and Rory, we're quickly going to go drop off the... Are you okay? Taylor nearly died. We're on our way to go drop off the wheels. Say hello, ladies.
Hi.
We have a play day today too. So let's quickly drop this off. Oh man, I love how these wheels look. Smile. Hello, Rory.
Okay.
Good in here? Brought you a present?
So good.
They look nice, eh?
Was this sprayed or powder coated?
Sprayed. Sprayed it now. Friday finished spraying it.
Oh, nicely done. There's painting and stuff here, yeah?
Oh. Okay, cool. So we're going to do a rim tape and the reflective inner stickers and all of that stuff. Tammy's still busy working on a design for it. Hey guys, so the wheels just arrived. Tammy did an amazing job. But before we go check it out, look what I did. The cat's away, so the mice will play. Amy's gone away on a work trip, and I thought that my bike deserves to be in the lounge. But Adam's bike too. Check this out. Man, oh man, doesn't she look beautiful? And then on this side, we've got Adam's bike looking amazing. We're going to prep that bike for concourse as soon as I'm done with the Hayabusa. So let's go check it out. So there we have it. There's our super nice, super sexy wheels. They were white, now they are red in reflective, with the reflective stickers. If we put the flash on, bang! Look at that. Damn, that looks awesome. So, we've got our discs. We have our discs here, noting that I made them a right and a left, and I put an arrow just in case we don't know which the rotation. Confuse your lefts and rights. I've got my other disc there. Right, there we have it. I've got my Loctite, got my wheels, I've got my discs. Let's quickly assemble and snap. Ha! Look at that. Tires! Beautiful. Oh man, that looks amazing. Right. So now, I'm quickly gonna fit the wheels and tires. So in a twisted turn of events, Raven has now just suddenly asked me to take this bike to Barker Exhaust. He is not happy with these super soft Yoshimura pipes. He says they just don't do it for him. This bike sounds slower than his K and he doesn't feel safe in traffic. So off we go to Barker Exhaust. Right, here we are. That's Raven chatting to Nathan. He's the master fabricator here. They're going to replace this exhaust and give him something that is a little bit louder. But knowing Raven, he wants it to scream. We'll see what they eventually come up with. Here is a quick before video. Let's just quickly hear what these pipes sound like, and then when we come back to collect the bike, we'll hear what does the new pipe sound like. What RPM was that? We have it, guys. The bike is stripped, exhaust is busy being fitted. Here we have the old pipes being removed, two Russian units. He's getting some type of a screamer with a sort of tin can, and I'm collecting the panels, and I am collecting or delivering the belly pan so that they can route it correctly. And yeah, this is what she kind of looks like. Headers are off. The headers are off. The what do you call it? The cat's been cut off because somebody already decatted it, but they did a terrible job. So we're going to create a clean 4 into 2 into 1 and then back into 2 again, so they have like an X pipe, I'm assuming. So yeah, here we go. Right, just got back to Barker Exhaust. Just got a call to say that the Busa is done, and it's loud as AF. Let's go check it out. Oh man, there she's standing. So he eventually went with the X-pipe configuration, anodized black tips, and a screamer exhaust. Check this out. Fully decat system. X-pipe looks insane. Yeah, this workmanship's amazing. Oh, thank you. Yeah, and there's our master fabricator. Hoo-wee. Is that loud enough? Yeah. That's chalk and cheese, eh? Guys, the bike is finally done. So before I do the big reveal, a big shout out to Bark Exhaust, Nathaneal. He did an amazing job. The welds, the X pipe, the workmanship is just insane. If you guys are ever looking for an exhaust, Bark Exhaust out at the bike shed in Brackenfell, down the road from Bikers Church. They are amazing. Check them out. Secondly, Tammy from Custom Creations. She did the stickers. She did some rim tape, some vinyl, some stickers in reflective. So when you turn on the lights, they change color. And then Mornay, my spray painter. That man, excellent work as usual. Gave me some orange wheels on the K. Gave me some pearl red wheels on the Busa. And it came out amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please check it out. Check out this awesome job. Peace.